Nothing like waking up to the sound of raindrops. Maybe I'll go back to sleep. Or maybe I'll have to get up. My son's coming over in about an hour or so. Hang out for the weekend. Trying to figure out what we're going to do. With the rain, it's going to limit what we can do. Although maybe the rain will go away later today. Yeah, it's been raining for, I guess, a couple hours now. It looks like outside. Yep, everything's all wet. It's still dark. That's what the temperature is. It says 71 degrees inside the vehicle. It's probably 60 something outside, which means the rain's kind of cold. Slept okay last night. How'd you sleep? You know, every time I hear the raindrops like this, I think of Eddie. What is it? What's his name? Is it Eddie Money? I love a rainy night. Is that the one who sings it? I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder. Watch the lightning when it lights up the skies. Wow, this is parking lot, and it is. People are probably looking at my van, seeing the light in here, trying to figure out what's going on. But yeah, it's a rainy day, rainy night. Hopefully, won't be a rainy day. Oh, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I am getting ready to do some experimental videos on the channel. It's not really experimental, it's more going back to my digital nomad series about making money on YouTube. I'm going to try to do some videos to see if they catch on and see how people like them. So stay tuned for those. Those should be coming up soon. I will need to find a location where I can work on them though, because they're not like my normal videos. I may have to do it in a library. We'll see if I can do those videos in the library without getting yelled at, because I have to talk, obviously. So look forward to those videos. Meanwhile, I hope everyone is staying nice and dry where you are, and if you're up north, I hope you're staying warm. I do feel for you. Just wanted to let you know I do have my windows cracked open, and you can see some water has come in here because I have the windows cracked open for circulation today. I did not crack open the front windows. The front windows are totally sealed because I knew it might rain last night. But I did crack open the back, and you're like, well, what about the leakage? I don't really care too much about leaking the back. It typically leaks and sits like this, and then it'll dry and vent out. I just didn't want my front seats totally wet. So, you know, that's how I handle it. If it starts raining too badly, I could close the windows. So just basically pull on this. See the handle there? I don't know if you can see the handle. You just pull that and see the window shuts. And that blocks the rain. But otherwise I have rain coming in, which I don't really care too much about right now. Just let it stay open. You might be wondering why, and it's because as soon as I start driving, it'll start to dry out once the sun's out. I let the van air out. So that's one of the benefits of being here in Florida. Is typically, unless it's a hurricane or something, you know, the rain usually doesn't last like forever, and once it stops, things dry up pretty fast. Well, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Until next time, everyone, take care of yourselves. Stay dry, stay safe. God bless you all.